So hi guys, nandito na naman kami sa hardware store and bibili kami ng mattress. What do you call that? Parang gate, parang ano siya, bibili kami ng pangkural para sa bahay. So, yeah.
Because they already removed.
Yeah.
They removed
and then yeah, kailangan na namin. Yeah, ayan, hindi ka makakuha dahil wala akong 1 euro. Itong hardware na ito ang pinuntahan namin. Last time dito din kami dahil nga hanggang ngayong buwan na lang itong hardware na ito ay magsasarado sila. Tingnan nyo naman, 25% all because everything needs to be gone. Kita din pala ako dito mga grapes at saka ito is mga berries. Ito blackberry, kailangan namin ito, blackberry. Naka-off din yan siya. So siguro bibili din kami. Ayan, mga blackberry yan siya. Electric naman, ayan siya. Kailangan kasi namin ng hanger, yung parang ilagay sa likod ng sasakyan and baka 25% off din yun siya. So siguro bibilhin namin ngayon. 200?
488.
That's a very big less. It's a very big less.
Yeah, 25%.
Yeah. Bibilhin daw namin yung hanger. Tapos, from 600 something, na lang, 400 na lang. Hala, what is with the, this is all Alishun with the same price, or?
No, it's not. Also the 25% already on the
Hala, that's, wasn't this out?
I already saw them cheaper in Amazon.
Yeah, and then 400 something na lang. Sobrang laki ng tipid. Meron ding mga faucet dito. The one I like, it's already not there anymore.
Nothing is here.
Yeah, but
Everything
25
is already. Only when we can ask, hello, can we have this
Akso,
one?
yeah. This is
We
neither
don't have anything anymore.
You see, tingnan nyo dahil everything is 25%. So yan,
25
isang laminate
One package for two.
is 6
25,
mm.
around 25
Tapos how many is inside? 11. The problem is hindi pa namin alam kung gaano kalaki yung floor na
The down floor had
kailangan.
90. So the upper floor has also minimum 90. So we need around 100. So we need 30 packages. So we need 3 times 25, 60, 75.
Yeah, problem. Yeah, we also need something like this. That's all for putting. This is for the kanta or for the kanang side. This
99, so 100 square meter or 790.
25%. Sobrang tipid na yan. Very big.
Now,
So what?
if we buy it now, we need around.
Why did you look at
Okay,
me?
minus 25%.
Why did you look at me?
Minus 25%. That's a good thing. That's a lot.
If bilhin namin ngayon, kailangan na namin ng 700 euro already at this time. Tapos tumitingin siya sa akin. Because I have money. Yeah, then kailangan namin kasi dahil pag late na namin itong bilhin is baka kunin na may maano na siya. Best.
I really don't like the color. It's so gray.
It also don't pass niche to the one we have already if we don't change the one in the.
It's down.
Yeah, then we need
The upper
also.
floor can have other color.
Okay.
Because I think, okay, we need to come here and check the
No.
I think this one is a color we have.
Yeah. But this is more nicer, or this, or this. This, gusto ko ito, pero ayaw daw niyan. Ito, maganda din
And
ito.
that's the problem. Is this the color we have?
Yan, kailangan daw siya sa garden. How many? How many you need?
That I need to calculate. The garden house is 5 by 4 meters.
Yeah.
So, 18 meters I need around, times 2 meters, and then every one is 62, so 8, 10, around 14 plates we need.
So, kailangan namin ng mailbox. Kaso, ubos na yung mailbox. Dito. Ubos na lahat. Yan na lang. I don't know. Ubos na lahat. So, ito. Bumili ako ng bagong balde. At saka itong brush. Kailangan ko ito. Brush para sa sahig. Ayan siya. So, dito na ako bumili. Ito din map. Meron naman akong parang extra lang ito dahil meron na ako nitong map na mahal kasi ang map na ganito. So, bumili na ako ng extra. Para yung meron na ako is gagamitin ko yun, and itong extra is kapag malinis na ang bahay. So, kapag madumi, yung daan yung gagamitin ko. Itong brush, very importante yan. Madami akong lilinisin doon. Halos na na pala, halos na bili na lahat ng mga dito, mga paninda nila dito. Halos na bili na lahat. Halos wala na dito. Ayan, may mga upuan, €1. Sabihan ko nga si asawa. Yan siya, mga upuan. Parang kailangan namin ng ganito.
I don't know if it starts.
You still don't know if it's really 25% more.
Yeah, that's the problem. For 140, I think 49 is good.
So, kailangan din namin talaga ng ganito.
We can get a new one in Aldi.
Maybe in Aldi Sheds. I'm sure it's long stock na. I wanted in Aldi. The one in Aldi we will buy. Kailangan din namin yan kasi
also in Aldi we can send back.
yeah, genau. Kailangan din na they have they have the one you like for blower. Yeah, kailangan din. Gusto daw ni asawa ng ganito blower.
Yeah, but Bosch
and they have here. Hala. Cook. Ein on Axis.
Yeah, and it's cable.
Oh yeah. Hala, they have chainsaw.
Yeah, we can buy plants. Because you're afraid when we come back on Thursday, everything is gone.
We haven't tomatoes. We don't have paprika. Or we can buy also into expensive.
Yeah, here's 25%. Okay, I wanted to see for the Maschendrahtzaun. Yeah, I asked. It's possible that we get 25% again. Put it on it. Maybe I will do it.
So, yan. Meron na kaming... But that is already a good start. Huy!
See? Not. No, this is hard. Maschendrahtzaun is more soft.
So that's not...
That's why it's still there.
Ani, garden house.
A tool house.
A tool house. So, kailangan din namin ng garden house kaso hindi namin alam kung magkano yan siya. And it's plastic. I don't know if it's nice, but now that is not the main sheds here. Oh, they have stairs here. I also need ladders. I also need ladder for me. That's not so high.
Not so high. You need a small ladder. What costs the ladder?
I don't know.
Sure when you buy it on Amazon it's cheaper. Even with the 25%. The hanger is not the cheapest I found. Even a used hanger is more expensive than we pay now.
Oh, I need like this shirts. Shirts, I need like this.
Meter by...
Ganda kasana nito sa aking what do you call it? Sa aking garden. Kaso mahal. €10 isang bisyan tayo.
No, what the €10 is.
€5. What is this?
This one is €10.
What is the €5?
Rahmenholz. Guck dich mal das. Das ist das hier.
Ah.
Kreuzholz.
This is nice for making garden. This?
This is also nice for making garden.
Yeah, this is also nice.
Meters.
Yeah.
How big our garden need to be?
That's so long. Maybe like this long. Like this long and then
About like this? Minimum.
so long.
I thought 3 meter long, minimum, like this. And then maybe 1.5 meter or 2 meter wide.
In the wide. Yeah, oak. Yeah.
You want it in the middle away, so maybe 3
Yeah.
meter by 3 meter.
You can
Then we need just 4.
cut it and then make it
I
2.
can cut it, yes.
Make it 2.
But it's 10 euro each. So if you get 4, 40 euro.
Oh, toyo.
If we make it 1
Nee, plus
if we need
25%.
okay, yes, you're right. 7 euro 50 each.
We still cannot get the hanger.
I don't
They
know how
have.
to get it now.
What is that?
Yes, that's the problem. I don't know how to get it now. Yes, not the wood
Yeah?
altogether and the bit. 139.
Oh. 139? Revision tayo. Yeah, this one is already nakaano na siya. Tapos, gawin mo na lang. And then, 139 euro. But 25% off.
That by the way is over palette.
Hey, see! Cook Eco Master.
Yeah, it's more.
Ano, this is kuan. Kailangan din namin ng for bio. So,
Compost, 114
compost.
euros. No. By the way, is it also compost? This is Europalette.
Yeah? And then how you will make it? Into compost?
Oh, I have one I can show you.
Ang ganda ito for the roses. Shots, did you know that...
It's also nice for grapes.
Yeah. But you said the grapes, we will put the one in the front. I don't know what I will put.
I don't know. You want to put, maybe there's one rose already. Maybe you put the roses there.
Yeah.
Then you have also roses.
What?
And maybe here we put in one in note.
This is nice for eggplant, for tomato, and for, what do you call that?
No, the 10 euro just.
For the,
So I need to a net so I can already make the hanger.
yeah. Hello. Cuckoo! Maybe we can buy this. Schatz.
Eckfurnitur Standard. Ein Tisch plus 2 Bänke, 144. Only
Mit zwei? Mit diese? Zwei?
two of this and one table. 199.
Ah, 25%.
144.
25% more.
Minus 35 euro, so still 100.
But we need seat, and this is very.
Yeah, it's nice. Also, you have big.
And you can fix it. You can fix it. You can. I mean, you can fold it. You can remove it if you don't like. You need to be careful. You need to put it fast. Yan oh. Genau, ich glaube von Thomas is also just like this. On, what is the look of the table?
It's similar to the tables where we have when we was in Neubronn.
Okay.
When
Yeah,
we was
yeah.
It's completely similar.
Maganda sana siya, kaso nung tiningnan namin sa baba, wala na pala siyang table. So, hindi din siya useless din kung bibili kami niyan. Dahil walang table. Gusto ko na sanang bumili ng mga ganito na mga plant para, kaso wala kaming lagyan. Tomorrow pa kami makapunta sa bahay. Tapos siya. Ayan, madami sana dito. Ayan. Mga tomato. Ayun. Rosemary. May nakita kong rosemary. Ito mga roses. Ay, ganda din ito. Oh, ay, ang ganda ng rosas. Gusto ko yan. Ito, I also need more roses. Ano kayang magandang bulaklak na ano? Ganda yung isang rosas doon. Oh, yun oh. Ganda niyan. Yellow roses is also nice. So, yung nabili namin ngayon is oh, someone is sick. Meron kaming anhanger. Binili namin yung anhanger. Sabi ko nga is nakasave ng 25%. From 600 euro naging 400 something na lang siya. And 480 na lang siya.
Especially 400 weight.
It was 680.
486. 75. The original price is still there.
649 original. Wow, we have a very big anhanger. This one? Why not the other one? Oh, ayan. Ito yung anhanger na nabili namin. Sobrang laking tipid na namin dito. Sobrang laking tipid na namin. So it also needs some here. Grabe, ang laking tipid na nito. 25%. Kahit even if you buy old, you cannot buy for 400 euro, you said, no?
The cheapest I found used and need the safety check this year already was 450.
Okay.
And I'm sure this one is more cheaper because you need to replace the light.
Oh.
But we have the one that's
let's dance. Yeah, we have a hanger. This is, kailangan talaga namin ito. Very important. So, yun na yung ano. Pero it needs to be registered.
Yes, I need to go now to the registration.
Hindi namin siya so we still cannot bring us to that today. Yeah. So, kailangan pa siyang i-register tapos bigyan ng register. Kailangan pa siyang i-register. So, pag i-register siya, makakuha kami ng plate number. So, bago namin madala itong aming anhanger. So, bukas, tomorrow or Thursday?
On Thursday, I will go to the registration.
On Thursday.
And then I can get it also on Thursday.
No one will get this?
It's still on the table.
So, Thursday na namin siya kukunin. So, yun. Sobrang ganda ng nabili namin. It's nice, no shots, no? It's really nice and really affordable.
Yeah. So, there are also nets you can put.
Yeah.
So everything you put inside don't fall outside.
Yeah.
And also you can put oil.
Yeah. This is the original price niya. It needs to be clean here.
Yeah.
Yeah, cook. Oh, if you have nets. It needs to be it needs to be clean.
Yeah.
Shit.
Dirty. But it's okay.
Nice.
Clean it.
Yeah.